Welcome to Dave's Daily Crypto Take. Today is Monday, June 13th, 2022. Let's take a look at today's charts. At number one, we got BTC at $25,543.98, down 6.84%. Ethereum at number two, $1,356.50, down 6.66%. Tether at number three, 99 cents. USD coin number four, 99 cents. BNB at number five, $245.39, down 4.82%. Binance USD number six, $1. Cardano at number seven, 48 cents, down 5.20%. At number eight, XRP, 33 cents, at 2.33% down. At number nine, Solana, $29.38, down 8.65%. And last but not least, Dogecoin at number 10, 6 cents, down 5.91%. Let's take a look at the crypto fear and greed index. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So what we got today is extreme fear at 11. Yesterday was extreme fear at 14. Last week was extreme fear at 13. And last month was extreme fear at 9. Let's take a look at the 5 articles today. Article number 1, as investors dump Link, take a look at the chain reactions that triggered this. Article number 2, more pain ahead for Ethereum. Celsius crashes 55% as it halts withdrawals over extreme market conditions. Article number 3, Economist Peter Schiff explains why he expects Bitcoin to crash as recession deepens. Warns, don't buy this dip. Article 4, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen issues serious crypto warning as sudden price crash hits Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP. And last but not least, the main topic today is crypto lender Celsius pauses withdrawals, transfer citing extreme market conditions. All right, before we get into all of the articles, just want to say thank you so much to everyone that's been listening in to the podcast. You can catch me at Dave's Daily Crypto Take on Apple, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. And if you're in a YouTube space, please like, share, and subscribe. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. Article number 1. As investors dump Link, take a look at the chain reactions that triggered this. Chainlink was on a solid uptrend for the last 2 weeks before the broader market crash terminated the rally and brought the coin back down. The last 24 hours have been marked as the third time in this year alone that Chainlink's attempts at recovery have been crushed by the bears. Chainlink loses another fight, up by 47.43% since 20th of May. The altcoin was doing pretty well in taking back what the token lost from the May crash. But the unsuspecting dip from the last 24 hours resulted in the coin losing a significant chunk of this recovery when Link declined by 18.17%. Trading at $7.60 at the time of writing, the altcoin lost out on some of the major progress it made over the course of a month. Firstly, Link managed to regain the 50-day simple moving average that it has last tested as support 2 months ago in April. Although it failed to retest it as support, it did manage to close above it right before the red candle hit the charts. Secondly, Link was also successful in reclaiming the 23.6% Fibonacci level during the 47% rally. This level is vital in providing the altcoin with a solid base to bounce off in order to reach beyond the $10 mark, which also coincides with the 38.2% Fibonacci level. A sustained rise would have managed to draw in more investors towards Chainlink, provided the Oracle blockchain already is focused on doing the same as it deployed its price feeds on Solana. Integrating with its dApps, Link could have easily shot up, but instead it is facing the wrath of its panicking investors. A dump in progress. Within the last 24 hours, Link investors have sold more than $14 million worth of Link. A part of this 2 million Link also belonged to long-term holders who were responsible for the consumption of 4.04 billion days. Additionally, their decision did make sense since pretty much all the investors that moved around their holdings were in losses following the dip, which is why the network observed the highest losses ever to the tune of $212 million. Unless this dip is countered soon, Chainlink investors might continue dumping, making things worse for the altcoin. So there you guys have it. What do you guys think about this article? As investors dump Link, take a look at the chain reactions that triggered this. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Okay, article number 2. More pain ahead for Ethereum. Celsius crashes 55% as it halts withdrawals over extreme market conditions. Cryptocurrency lending firm Celsius says it's pausing all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts. What happened? Celsius said in a statement late Sunday it is taking the steps due to extreme market conditions. We are announcing that Celsius is pausing all withdrawals, swap, and transfers between accounts. We are taking this action today to put Celsius in a better position to honor over time its withdrawal obligations, the firm said. Celsius said, while it understands the news is difficult, it believes it is the best decision. It said it was working to protect and preserve assets to meet its obligations. Our ultimate objective is stabilizing liquidity and restoring withdrawals, swap and transfers between accounts as quickly as possible. Why it matters? The Block Crypto's Frank Chaparro had earlier tweeted that there were rumors about Celsius' ability to support withdrawals swirling around the crypto OTC desks. Internet entrepreneur Nick Carter tweeted, "It's so over," and shared an email a Twitter user received from Celsius. Celsius operates on Ethereum's network. The CEL token was down 55% to 15 cents at press time, and the Ethereum chart suggests the second largest cryptocurrency market price reacted to the news. So here it says, we are writing with a very important message for our community. Due to extreme market conditions, today we're announcing that Celsius is pausing all withdrawals, swap, and transfers between accounts. We are taking this action today to put Celsius in a better position to honor over time its withdrawal applications. Acting in the interest of our community is our top priority. In service of that commitment and to adhere to our risk management framework, we have activated a clause in our terms of use that will allow for this process to take place. Celsius has valued and valuable assets, and we are working diligently to meet our obligations. We are taking this necessary action for the benefit of our entire community in order to stabilize and liquidity and operations while we take steps to preserve and protect assets. So there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think about this. More pain ahead for Ethereum. Celsius crashes 55% as it halts withdrawals over extreme market conditions. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Article number 3. Economist Peter Schiff explains why he expects Bitcoin to crash as recession deepens, warns don't buy this dip. And economist and gold bug Peter Schiff has made some dire predictions about cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin and Ether. He explained that the need to sell Bitcoin to pay the bills will only get worse as the recession deepens, adding that Bitcoin is poised to crash to 20K, with Ether will sink to 1K. Peter Schiff shares future outlook for Bitcoin, Ether, and crypto. And the chief economist and lead strategist at Euro Pacific Capital and founder of Schiff Gold has made some dire predictions about Bitcoin, Ether, and the crypto market in general. He tweeted Saturday, Bitcoin looks poised to crash to 20K and Ethereum to 1K. Don't buy this dip. You'll lose a lot more money. Schiff further explained in several tweets Sunday, with food and energy prices soaring, many Bitcoin hodlers will be forced to sell to cover the cost. Grocery stores and gas stations don't accept Bitcoin. The Economist noted when Bitcoin crashed during COVID, no one needed to sell. Consumer prices were much lower and hodlers got stimulus checks. Schiff stressed the need to sell Bitcoin to pay the bills will only get worse as the recession deepens and many hodlers lose their jobs, especially those working for soon-to-be bankrupt blockchain companies. If circumstances change, long-term buyers without paychecks will be forced to sell, he added. Most Bitcoin proponents continue to ignore all Bitcoin and crypto predictions made by Schiff, with many seeing his gloomy expectations as a buy signal for BTC. Possibly the most consistently bad investment advice on public record, one Twitter user wrote. Another asked Schiff, check Bitcoin or Ethereum 5-year charts, then check golds. Which would you rather have held? Which would you rather hold for another 5 years? At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at $26,212, whereas Ether is at $1,373. Furthermore, a growing number of grocery stores and gas stations have started to accept Bitcoin as well as other cryptocurrencies. Sheetz, a major mid-Atlantic restaurant and convenience chain, announced in May last year that it had become the first convenience store to accept Bitcoin. Several convenience stores and gas stations have also installed two-way Bitcoin ATMs, including a leading convenience and fuel retailer, Circle K. While Schiff is bearish about Bitcoin, Ether, and the crypto market in general, many people are very bullish about BTC. Venture capitalist Tim Draper recently doubled down on his 250K Bitcoin prediction. US Senator Ted Cruz said he is incredibly bullish on the Bitcoin and has a weekly BTC buy. The Vera Group CEO Nigel Green said last week that he expects a bull run and a significant bounce in the price of Bitcoin in the fourth quarter of this year. JP Morgan said last month that the firm sees a significant upside to Bitcoin. The global investment bank has replaced real estate with crypto as its preferred alternative asset. Moreover, a recent Deloitte survey found that 85% of US merchants say enabling crypto payments is a high priority for them. So there you guys have it. Economist Peter Schiff explains why he expects Bitcoin to crash as recession deepens, warns, don't buy this dip. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. All right, before we get into the next round of articles, just want to say thank you so much to all my supporters out there. Again, Dave's Daily Crypto Take is on the YouTube video channel and also on podcast audio format. So if you have any friends, family that are interested in cryptocurrency news that are unbiased for crypto and against crypto, send them my way to Dave's Daily Crypto Take, YouTube, Apple, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. Other than that, let's get back into it. Article number 4. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen issues serious crypto warning as sudden price crash hits Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies have taken sharply as a fresh crypto crash weighs on the troubled market, though one investor has issued a huge fourth quarter Bitcoin price prediction. The Bitcoin price has dropped under 29,000 per Bitcoin, its lowest since late May, as stocks suffered their worst since January following a red-hot inflation report that exceeded Economist forecasts. Ethereum has crashed more than 10% after developers again delayed a long-awaited upgrade, with top 10 coins BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP also crashing back. Now, as traders brace for a Federal Reserve earthquake, U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has warned against cryptocurrencies in retirement plans, calling them very risky. It's not something that I would recommend to most people who are saving for their retirement, Yellen said this week at an event organized by the New York Times. To me, it's very risky investment. Earlier this year, financial giant Fidelity announced it would add a crypto option to workplace retirement plans it manages, allowing for the inclusion of Bitcoin in its operated 401k accounts. The Labor Department said it had grave concerns over the plan. Yellen went on to suggest Congress could regulate whether Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies could be included in retirement accounts such as 401k plans. I'm not saying I recommend it, but that to my mind would be a reasonable thing, she said. Wall Street's interest in Bitcoin and crypto has exploded over the last couple of years as the crypto market ballooned to almost $3 trillion. However, the Bitcoin price has now crashed more than 50% from its all-time high of almost $70,000 per Bitcoin, dragging down the entire crypto market. Ethereum and other top 10 cryptocurrencies, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP have crashed even harder than Bitcoin, with the Solana price losing almost 90% of its value. Yellen has previously warned over the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, cautioning traders and investors that extreme volatility could result in substantial losses. It's a highly speculative asset, and I think people should be aware it can be extremely volatile, and I do worry about potential losses that investors can suffer, Yellen told CNBC in February. So, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen issues serious crypto warning as sudden price crash hits Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. All right, last but not least, the main topic today is crypto lender Celsius pauses withdrawals, transfers citing extreme market conditions. Celsius Network, one of the biggest crypto lenders, told customers Sunday evening that it is pausing withdrawals, swap, and transfers between accounts in a move that has sparked discussions and prompted the price of the firm's token to take a 60% tumble in the past 1 hour to as low as 19 cents. We are taking this action today to put Celsius in a better position to honor over time its withdrawal obligations, wrote Celsius, which counts stablecoin issuer Tether International, Growth Equity Fund WestGap, and Canadian Pension Canadian Fund Caisse Depot at placement to Quebec among its investors. acting in its interest of our community in our top priority in service of that commitment and to adhere to our risk management framework, we have activated a clause in our terms of use that will allow for this process to take place. Celsius has valuable assets and we're working diligently to meet our obligations. Celsius, which was valued at $3.25 billion when it extended its oversubscribed Series B financing round to $750 million in November, allows users to deposit their Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether and receive weekly interest payments. Depending on the time horizon and the token, the platform offers as much as 18% interest a year. On its website, Celsius says 1.7 million people call Celsius their home for crypto. The announcement follows one of the most brutal weekends in the cryptocurrency market that saw hundreds of millions of dollars worth of liquidation. At the time of publication, Bitcoin was trading at around $25,585 and Ethereum at $1,346, some of their lowest levels in over a year. Other high-profile crypto projects, including Solana, BNB, and FTT, were also down. There must be many users who are in a position of leverage and desperately need those funds from Celsius. Now locked away, I'm sad we've gotten here. Protect yourselves. Crypto lenders are facing increased scrutiny following the collapse of Terraform Labs Luna and its sister token UST last month. Alex Machinsky, chief executive of Celsius Network, has been trying to reassure customers in recent weeks, saying that they can withdraw their assets at any time and question skeptics. The firm also launched a recurring promotion recently, offering customers rewards if they transfer assets into Celsius accounts and held positions for up to 180 days. But Celsius has also grappled with high sell-offs in recent months. The lender says on its website that it has about $3.8 billion of assets, down from $24 billion it disclosed in late December 2021. The beauty of what Celsius managed to do is that we deliver yield. We pay it to the people who would never be able to do it themselves. We take it from the rich and we beat the index. That's like going to the Olympics and getting 15 medals in 15 different fields, which he said in a video streamed in December. So a tweet here says, you know, even one person who has prepping from Celsius had the FUD and misinformation. I paid for this, then let everyone know your ideas. Otherwise, our job is to fight trading. So what do you guys think about this? Pausing all withdrawals, Celsius network, crypto lender, Celsius pauses withdrawals, transfers, citing extreme market conditions. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. All right, let's take a look at the prices one last time before we head out. At number one, BTC is at $25,543, Ethereum at $1,356, Tether at 99 cents, USD coin 99 cents, BNB $245, Binance USD $1, Cardano at 48 cents, XRP at 33 cents, Solana at $29, and last but not least, Dogecoin at 6 cents. So there you guys have it. Thank you so much for making this far into Dave's Daily Crypto Take. Again, catch me on Apple, Spotify, Google Podcasts. And if you're in the YouTube space, please like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, I hope all of you have a great crypto day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.